Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello, traders, and I hope you all are doing well. Here I'm back after a long break. The EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started with the video. At first, we are not having any high impact news into the market, so let's directly move to the charts. So the monthly chart of EURUSD, and what we can see is that the price is at the last level from where it made a huge leap to the downward side. We had already been reacting from this FVG and moved into the downward side. So I'm anticipating a downside move into the lower time frames, and it will be a matter to see that which is a strong level in the lower time frame. So let's move to the week. As we move into the weeklies, what we see is that this monthly level is uh, has turned into a narrow zone, and the price had already reacted from this particular level. Say if it is already 50, not so yeah, the price had already reacted to the 50%. So I'm anticipating that this will be our invalidation zone and the price should not go beyond it. So let's move to the dailies. As we move into the dailies, the price took some kind of a liquidity and had drawn something. And what we have right now is that the price has closed within this particular candle's range, which is a sign of a bearish confluence that the price is not having much strength to go higher, and we are having this FVG. So I'm anticipating now that the price can come down and mitigate this FVG. Now let's move to the 4 hours. As we move into the 4 hour, what we see is that this is the last point of mitigation which which the price can come up and mitigate. But even after that, the price is within this range of the candle, so we can anticipate a bearish move. Let's move to 1 hours. Okay. So as we move into the 1 hour, we can see a clear order block which the price hasn't tapped yet, but we are within this range of the candles. So let's see how the price reacts inside it. Let's move to 30 minutes now. As we move into the 30 minutes, what we see is that the price moved into into the higher side, and we are within this range, and we haven't taken any kind of a liquidity right now, but in 30 minutes we are having this BPR. So if the price respects this BPR and breaks this low, more likely we are going to take this low too, which is just the low above this FVG of the daily range, and this will be my trading zone. After the price taps the daily range, I'll be bullish into the market till the above level, and if not, then I'll be waiting for the price to tap this higher time frame order block, and then we can possibly go into the downward side. Let's move to the 15 minutes now. Nothing much clear is into the 15 minutes, but 5 minute is having a clear order block which is unmitigated to the market. So this level and this low is my ultimate target from where I'll be looking for a trade into the market. So this is pretty much it. What are your bias regarding today's trend into the market? And do write me into the comments if something is not clear. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep trading.